So you know what that means, man? Well, it's the only thing I think it means, oil change, because y'all can see this up here, 10/4/2024. So basically it's September 4th 2024, and we are in September 22nd, so I'm long overdue for an oil change. I ain't gonna lie, this is the first time the light ever popped up, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But we finna go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto, get us some oil. Finna change the oil real quick before we do this POV drive, because I'm not trying to get my engine locked up. So yeah, we finna go do that. No cap. Huh? I just got taxed out the ass for some oil. $42 for some oil. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know that oil cost $42. I don't really change my own oil. I'm spoiled by Walmart oil changes. It's the first time changing. Damn, Lonnie, what's up? But this is my first time changing the oil on this car, so I'm gonna see how it go, man. All right, we back home now. Oh, about to go ahead and change the oil right here. I got the big ass bucket too, cause I don't got no damn oil, whatever that shit called. I don't got it. 14 mil for that guy. All right, be ready for the works, my boy. All right. Shit right there, that boy draining out. I'm still thinking about, bro. Oh, oil change at Walmart. I could have paid the same amount that I paid for this one oil, and I forgot the oil filter. I could have paid for this 1 5-quart of oil. This 1 5-quart of oil is a whole oil change at Walmart. Oil filter and the oil. That's crazy. I could have just got my own oil change, bro. Like, it's about getting to the end. I can't wait for y'all to see the funnel I'm about to use to put the oil back in, though. It be tight, it'll be good. I don't know what I'm finna do with it or anything though. Let's go ahead and let this gal down. This is my funnel, y'all. My coolant. I don't got no funnel, so I'm finna just hold that. I'm about to get the pouring in here, bit. And we ready. Alright, man, we all set up. POV time. Oil change done and stuff like that, man. About to do the thug this out. Oh shit, I was an S14. Y'all just seen that jump? Hey man, it's Sunday outside, man. They outside today. It's an old woman in a Fox body. It's an old woman in a Fox. That shit hard. I ain't gonna lie, I'm starting to love old people in old cars. Like seeing old people in old cars that just look like they don't even push the car. What the fuck is that? An old Corvette. Oh my gosh, they out tonight. What's up, bruh? And I got the good old IS out. What is you saying? Behind this wheel, man. You understand that? No hesitation. You just gotta go. There ain't no scary shit behind this wheel, man. Sometimes you just gotta get out and go. You know what I'm saying? y'all. I don't know why everybody damn near trying to ram the side of my car today, bro. What's up? I'm the one driving crazy, supposedly, allegedly, but everybody trying to bump into me, get into my lane. What's going on, bro? Oh yeah, we finna catch up to him. Nigga would turn. That sunset's so pretty, bro. I've been wanting to do this video for like a week. This nigga trying to cut up with me. It's not happening. Nigga got stuck behind somebody. Trying to tell you, I might be a noob at sliding, but you ain't fucking with me on this straightaway, you know what I'm saying, swimming. I ain't gonna talk too much, cause this, you know what I'm saying, I don't want niggas to try to challenge me and shit. I ain't on that type level, but I ain't gonna lie, y'all been going crazy on them last couple videos too. Y'all been showing mad support. I got back on the tube and, you know what I'm saying, expecting to get like 50 views, 100 views a video. Y'all running it up to 2,000, 500, 600 each video. It's like, I love y'all for that, man. I appreciate y'all. I just thought I was gonna have less than what I have now. You know, I appreciate y'all for everything that y'all subscribing, liking, commenting. I love y'all comments. If y'all comment on the video, I'm guaranteed to say something back and like it, because I just love talking to y'all. I don't care if it's negative, you know what I'm saying? If you say something positive, you know what I'm saying? I don't care what it is. I like talking to y'all. If y'all get on my ass, I get on y'all ass back, or I just laugh at it. You know, it's just like, I love comments, because I don't know, I just like connecting with y'all. I feel like I got a bunch of friends on here that I'm just talking to, you know what I'm saying? Like, I had to turn my lights on. I didn't even know how fast I was going. Damn, I just scraped. I didn't even mean to get off right here, but woo. G Fizzle G37X all-wheel drive. What the fuck? Oh shit, GS right there. Drive in the middle of the roads out here, bro. Look at that big ass bump in the middle of the street, bro. I'm in the suburbs now. Finna get some sound clips, goddamn. They put these bitches everywhere. Ah! God that TC not beating me, bro. This nigga feel accomplished right now. Oh my gosh. I'm heat soaked, bro. This nigga's not fucking fast, bro. What the fuck? Bro, did y'all see how that nigga got over in the lane and then looked me in my eyes? I feel disrespected, bro. And I can't. God damn it, IS. You're making me look bad. Oh my gosh, bro. I ain't doing nothing right now. I can catch up to him though. Oh shit. Seen that one. And he dodged it. There go this TC nigga trying to catch up, bro. Back up, bro. Y'all see that nigga back there? If y'all can, I don't think y'all can. He trying it. It's not finna work though. I ain't letting this nigga pass me no more. I'm staying 6 steps ahead of this motherfucker. Hey, man. Nigga tried me, bro. Like, I won't do his ass with my shit when he so that little ass puny TC. Fuck. I get on your ass. Don't ever try to look at me like you doing something, dog. You know you fucking with, man. Why my shit don't feel heat soaked now, bro? What's up? Hey man, it's getting dark outside, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, y'all already know what to do, man. Like, subscribe, favorite, share everybody y'all know, turn on post notifications so you know every time I post, man. It's me, your guy Sxundo. I love y'all. Trilly fam on top always, man. Y'all know we finna be on top, man. Just give us time. Y'all keep showing love. We finna be a family over here, man. But hey, that's been the end of this video, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Stay on y'all P's and Q's, man. And yeah, I'll see y'all in this video. No cap.
Lay up with a vibe and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.